when this man... Oh god, it just cawed. Oh my freaking god. It just cawed. My dudes, it just cawed. It just freaking cawed. Tweet, tweet! I'm going to attempt to throw a blanket over it. If that fails, plan B is to smack it. Oh my god, it's almost out. It's... Here, okay guys. Let's dance. Tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Ah! Guys, we have eye contact with the birdie. So I can make my move. Oh my god, it's walking at me, guys, it's walking at me, it's freaking walking at me. Oh god, it's walking at me. Almost got him. Legit, he literally just flew away. Guys. This little birdie, it's gonna be the death of me. Oh my god. I'm just gonna kick that stuff away. I'm just trying to get a good recording angle for you guys at home viewing. Oh my god, I see it. It's literally peeping its head out. Ouch, fruit. Just hit my freaking head. Ah! It just cawed. Tweet. Tweet, tweet. There you go. You can see it better now. Tweet. 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 Ah! Tweet. 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 Come here, little Tweety bird. Are there two? No, there's not two. I thought there was. Screw this. Plan B. Let's go. Tweet. This bird. This freaking bird. I have an idea. Guys, thanks to Mike here. It's right under this box. See its beak. Oh my god. See its freaking beak. We just made eye contact. I'm trying to get it to move out of the spot. Eye capture now. I'm coming in. Such a stupid idea. Got him. Got him. Got him! Let's go, boys! We got him! Oh, yes, we got him! We got him! Let's go, boys! We got him! We got him! We got him! Dad, help! We got him! Dad, we got him! We got him! I got him! Dad, come here! We got him! Help me get him! He's under a blanket! Woo! I got him! Guys, he's right under the blanket. Guys, he's under the blanket. Woo! Mom, he's under the blanket. He's under the blanket. Guys, I freaking got him. Let's go, boys. We got him. Yes? I got him, okay? America, we got him. In the basement, trying not to let him away.
Carter!
What?
Where are you?
In the basement. I'm gonna need some help. He's right underneath the blanket.
Okay.
Woo! Oh my God!
Hurry up!
America, he is right underneath this
Okay,
blanket.
he's under the blanket. Run down.
He's in a really strange position.
Hurry up, Carter. Get this.
He's in a really strange position. Dad, give me the box. Give me the box. Thanks. Dad, record this. My phone. Whoa! It's recording. It's recording.
Okay, well hurry up. You only got like 10 seconds left.
blanket is he in?
The mic one. I don't have any.
Go, Ashley, because I'm running if he starts
I'm gonna
flying.
let this.
Scoop it up like a claw within the box, grab it and run up
It's
here.
really strange in there though.
Did you hit him?
Carter, I don't care how he's in there. Just clamp the box shut over top of
He's
the
right
towel.
here.
Clamp him in!
I'm trying. Do not let him go. Okay, the box is under him.
The front door's open.
Hurry up, Carter.
Okay, I'm trying to get all this freaking gear off of me.
No, leave the gear on.
I am sweating.
Come on, Carter. Come
Carter,
on.
You gotta do it.
Shake him into the box. Close the box really tight.
Oh God, he's coming out. He's freaking gonna escape. He's
Cor-
gonna.
Get him in the
I'm
box.
trying. Legit, he's right here. I'm just gonna scare him out.
Carter,
Box.
clamp the box shut on him.
Did you hit him?
No, I didn't.
Don't hit him. Clamp the box shut on him.
I'm trying. I'm trying to get him into the box.
Just clamp the box shut.
Shut up while I get him into the box.
Like a clamshell.
No.
Ashley, shut up, Ashley. He didn't even hit him. I
He's
thought you hit
almost
him.
into the box. I literally see his beak. Is he in? Is he in? Bro, get in the box.
Carter, come on.
Now, I'm not joking right now. He's like trapped inside the blanket. I'm gonna have to open up the blanket and then close it real quick, okay?
You do this. Look, throw it inside the box and shut it.
The blanket?
Yeah, like where he's at. Put the box over top where he's at, and then open
He's
it.
almost into the box.
Okay. Shake him in.
He's in. He's in.
Shut it.
No, he's not. No, he's not. He's not in. Wait, yes, he is. He's half in, half out.
Squeeze him in there.
The majority of him is out.
Okay, then shut the box on him and come on.
Now none of him is in the box. Is that my guy? Get in the box. Get in the freaking box. He's trying to fly. He's trying to fly. I have him trapped. I'm trapped.
Shut the
Just
box
get
on
inside
him.
the box. Get inside the box. Get in. I'm trying to push him inside the box. Get in the box. Get in the box. Get in the gosh dang box. He's in. He's almost in. He's almost in. Okay.
Hurry up.
Bruh, this dude. He's in the box.
Okay, come on.
America, we got him.
Come on.
I think he's in here.
Well, hurry the hell up.
Hurry up.
He's
Hold
in
the
here.
box shut. Come on.
We got him.
Just come on, Carter. Man. Go outside.
outside.
Take him
I really
outside.
hope we got him.
Well, do you feel something in there?
Just throw the box down.
Yep, there he is. Let's go.
We got him.
Oh wait, I think his wings hurt.
We got him.
You
know what? His wing's fine. He's not in my basement anymore. Let's go.
The deed is done.
Did you get scratched or anything?
The deed is done. No, he didn't even touch me.